Hello, I'm David from Complete PE, and today's PE activity is rolling penalties. So for today's PE activity, rolling penalties, you're going to need to make sure that you've got a nice, safe space to play in. If you're doing it outside, that's fantastic. Make sure it's clear. If you're doing it inside, make sure any objects that you can fall on are out of the way. So for this activity, you're going to need a ball, or if you haven't got a ball, a rolled up pair of socks. You also need to make a goal using two objects. We're going to use teddies. For this game, you're going to compete against an opponent. First person is going to be the goalkeeper, and the aim of the game for the goalkeeper is to stop the ball or the pair of socks going past them. I want you to think about, goalkeeper, how are you going to stop your opponent from rolling the socks past them? What are you going to do with your arms? What are you going to do with your hands? Are you going to be on your toes ready to move? Or are you going to be low down on your knees? I want you to have a think. The person rolling the socks, I want you to think about, how can you get the socks past them? Are you going to roll it fast or slow? Can you trip them? Can you outwit them? Can you aim when you're rolling? Have a little think. Ready to give the game a go? Yeah. So I'm going to roll it. So you're going down on your knees, okay? I'm going to maybe aim here to roll. I roll it. Oh, the goalkeeper saves it. If I roll it past them, I score 1 point. But if the goalkeeper stops me, I don't score any points. How did that feel when you stopped me from scoring? How did it feel? Have a little think. Let's have a little go this time. Okay, again, ready? Let's see if I can change what I do this time. I might roll it a little bit faster. I might aim for the corners. Let's see, ready? I got it past them, so I score a point. How did I feel?